Yan yung sinasabi namin mga kachika na ferry ba. Our bedroom. It's a bit bigger. Ano na siya? Lip and cheek glow. Ito try natin. Good morning mga kachika. It's a lovely day. It's lovely day today. Yeah, it's autumn. Okay, tara. Let's go. Na post office. Go to the office. Say bye-bye to Daddy and Lisa.
Bye-bye, Lisa. Bye-bye. Bye.
Sa office na kami pupunta mga kachika kay late na si Alina plus magbabayad ako ng kanyang breakfast. Oh no, not breakfast. Nagre-ready kami mga kachika kay maaalis kami. Ito yung outfit natin. Nabili ko to sa online na pre-love na ba mga kachika? Itong itong top at saka yung aking jeans. Ayan. Nagantay lang kami Mr. kasi siya yung nasa toilet.
Mama, wear sunglasses. It's very cold, hot outside.
Yeah, you can wear sunglasses if you want.
But we need to
Bitbitin niya daw yung basket niya kasi may picnic daw siya. Binaunan ko kasi siya ng fruits at saka brioche. Babaonin niya daw. So kanyan niya kilit-kilit niya na. Dito ba? Di ka na see. Look, like that. Wait lang sa. Di ka na see your basket. Come here. See, like that. Your basket. Ang book niya, Lisa ba? Palagi na fly away.
Whoa.
Yeah, big. Oh.
How long did it take us to get to Blackpool?
An hour, 40 minutes.
Oh, it's an hour, is it? More than that's an hour?
Oh, okay.
This way, I don't know. I'm not sure about this way.
No, we're gonna use my phone. Dito kami dumaan kay nagmadali na kami. Medyo late na. 10:32. May namin yung appointment namin ay
Oh, that's a Chico.
Yeah, it's the Chico.
11:32. So mga 1 hour din yung biyahe papunta doon mga kachika.
Yeah. That's a Chico. Yeah, that's a Chico.
Nice araw.
Can
11
I
o'clock
take
na mga
my
kachika.
belt off?
Yeah, you can take your belt off. Pa kayo, sasakay pa kami ng ferry. It's 11 o'clock na pala.
Wait, where are we going?
We wait for the ferry.
The ferry? We're going to get on the ferry! I'm here.
Okay, put in there where my coat.
I gotta cook some noodles. Noodles.
What noodle?
I can cook. I'll be back.
Hi there. Is that Kedzie? I see. Is Kedzie around?
Mama, I wanna.
Right. Okay. I have an appointment with her at 11:30. We're running about 10-15 minutes late. All the traffic. Excuse me? It is today. Yes. Yeah, we'll get there when we get there. Yeah, surely, certainly. Oh yeah, before 12, absolutely. Yeah, we'll be there before 12. Yeah. But if you can let her, I'm sure she's got a mobile phone. You can give her a call on, can you? All right then. Thank you. Thank you. What's your name? Chloe. All right. Thank you.
We're ready. We're ready. Ready. Spooky.
Oh, it's quite busy too.
Yeah. What's going on?
Spooky.
October, you say we're in?
Ready.
1st of October.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's so lovely here.
Huh? Unbelievable.
Mommy, what a nice day.
What a nice day, yes.
Dad, that's really bumpy.
Yeah.
Is it big?
Hey, boat!
Big boat.
I see it.
Oh my god, we're moving already.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's quick.
It's quick. It's a fishing boat there. Oh no, it's not a fishing boat. That's a ferry, Daddy, that we plan to get on.
Oh yeah. From Kingsbridge.
Oh, there. I saw it there.
It's running.
You will
Oh,
see
yeah,
it
there,
outside.
there.
Yeah.
I gotta call them yet. There's people on it.
Oh, there's people in it.
We'll have to do that.
Yeah, yan yung sinasabi namin mga kachika na ferry ba. Dartmouth.
My God, look at the view.
Ang ganda ng view ng mga dinaanan naman dito mga kachika, oh. Sayang ko hindi ko pakita sa inyo. Beautiful view.
That lake. Fresh water.
It's stuck.
Strange, huh? Side by side.
Stuck.
Look. Can you get out?
Yeah. Oh yeah, big room.
Yes, it is gas radiators and boilers in the bathroom. That would fix them.
Ah, look at that out there. Garden.
Big, isn't it?
Big garden. Our
Windows.
bedroom.
Hello?
It's a bit bigger. This one.
This one?
We're gonna put our bed there.
Oh, I don't think she's big. No way.
Let's go.
She's empty. It looks big, pretty empty.
Let's go, Mama.
Okay, hold my hands. Okay, hold tight.
Yeah,
Look, bathtub, yeah. Gonna do bubble bath. Looks new, the bathtub.
Oh, there's no kiosk. Obviously, she doesn't have a key. That's why.
Let's go outside.
And there, I think.
What? Where's your washing machine go?
It's a washing machine.
I don't know.
Where would you put a washing machine? What's that?
Dishwasher.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
got a dishwasher.
Yeah, dishwasher.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Has it ever had a washing machine in here? No. What was that?
Ayan, may access din siya papunta doon sa garden mga kachika. Hindi na ako nakapag-video. Yan, maraming apple. Free lang yan. Apple. When I look the garden.
Let's go playground. Find a playground now, shall we?
Okay. Pawi na kami mga kachika. Nag-stop by lang muna kami dito. And ito yung tangke noong kailan ba to? Hindi natin mamaya ibabasahin natin. May nagtitik kasi ng picture pa. Sabal. Tingnan natin kung kailan to. Ayan, 1930.
What's that sound?
It's a car. Yeah.
Let's go look for the beach.
Mhm.
Oh my God.
Dito tayo. Ikot-ikot lang muna tayo mga kachika dito sa beach. It's very windy. Miss Rabbit!
Helicopter!
Yeah, helicopter.
Oh, it's all.
Mm.
Love you.
Itong puppy.
Tip.
Surprise. It's nice that, no? The rocks.
Yeah.
Kaya pinagsulat-sulatan ng mga tao. Slippery. Maybe we should get one. And then we have to take in the house. Flat. Something like this.
Rainbow!
Ah. It's not flat.
Wow! Mama, I got giant bagel here. It's like a bagel.
Be careful in your feet. I know, it's serious. Not really nice. It's not really.
What?
This one. This one na lang.
Oh, okay.
Or this one.
What do you want to do? What's it for?
Nothing. They just
Look at that baby one.
baby ones. Yes.
Wow! Mama, I got that one eye. Look. See, look. That's your eye.
Nice.
Ah.
Ang ganda dito, oh. Video natin for today is more on view mga kachika. Kinagsawa na kayo sa mukha namin. View na naman yung pakita ko. Dito pala yung war. What war was it, Daddy? World War II. Dito yun naganap mga kachika. Ang daming namatay dito banda. So many people died this area, Daddy, no?
Oh, out the sea.
Along the sea. That one.
1,000.
Like 1,000. US Marine.
No. Well, I know it's Marine. Soldiers.
Oh, hindi lang US Marine. Ingay naman yan. Parang mixed man siya. So ayun, nakita namin yung bahay mga kachika. Pero parang hindi kami sure. Okay naman siya. Luma nga lang. Lumang style. Because I think it's very like 100 years old, Daddy, no?
100? No, 2, 3. free.
Oh, kasi nakita nyo naman kung yung style niya. Pero maganda siya mga kachika. Maano yung
Ghost,
parang ano
for
ba?
sure.
Oh, okay naman siya.
The question is it a friendly ghost or is it a
Yeah.
angry ghost?
Goodness. Wow, look at the Alisa, the ship there.
Oh yeah, look.
There.
Up there.
Tapos, yun na nga, hindi kami sure kasi nga sa labas, nandoon yung gas. So, maglalaro yung mga bata is not safe.
No,
Yeah.
it's not. No way.
Malalaki pa naman ng piraso for gas kasi apat siya kasi gas din yung gamit nila sa sa heating ganun.
Okay.
Tapos cooking lahat ba ano gas talaga yung ginagamit doon kaya hindi kami sure. Maganda sana yung garden, kailangan lang siya ayusin.
Look, cows and sheep. Is it?
Yeah, yun nga lang kay hindi safe sa mga bata ba na maglalaro sila doon sa labas. Ay, delikado. Ano mo yun yung tangke na malalaki ng mga gas, ganun siya doon sa likod. Hindi pala ako nakapag-video. Pero maganda din sana doon. Yun nga. Medyo remote lang din siya. Dari no. It's like it's far from
Remote.
yeah, remote.
Very remote.
No, hirap yata maghanap ng trabaho doon, ganun.
Work. Problem. Buses won't be frequent.
So pag ganun pa naman yung bus ganyan every 1 hour yung
Maybe. Yeah.
pag nasa mga remote na mga place every 1 hour, hindi gaya doon sa amin kung saan kami nakatira na like, pag weekdays every 30 minutes ganun, pag Sunday every 1 hour lang. Pero yun nga doon parang hirap ba.
There it is.
So maghanap kami doon, tatanungin namin kung meron silang ano ibang maybe they have other place na din no?
Yeah, I want to give him a call.
Yun nga lang, busy nga. May pagkalabas namin, meron na naman another different people na nag-viewing na naman doon sa place na yun kasi meron daw silang 3 viewing today. So, sabi nga by tomorrow daw ay 9 o'clock, make sure na
Caravan's in there.
na anuhin ba yung will let them know kung kukunin namin yung house or hindi. Hindi eh.
Philippines.
Yeah. Stop ulit kami dito mga kachika. Dito na kami sa Dartmouth. Dinaanan namin to kanina nung nagsakay kami ng ferry. So, dito na naman kami.
Okay.
Dumaan na lang din kami dito sa Boots mga kachika kay kailangan ng vitamins ng mga bata. So may Boots na din kasi dito sa harap kung saan kami nagpark. Kaya dumaan na lang kami dito.
Down.
Dali isa. Ikot-ikot lang muna tayo dito mga kachika. Si Mr. nandoon nilagay niya pa kasi yung pinamili namin doon sa Boots. Tapos ni Alisa, naalala niya na nagpunta kami dito dati noong matagal na siguro mga 1 taon na din ha. More than 1 year na din. Kasi mula nagpunta, wala, look at all the fish. Goldfish.
Let's go. Okay,
Ganagot. Inahanap niya yung Wobbly Bridge daw. Ay. Where is it daw? Where is that Wobbly Bridge?
there.
Ah, yes, that. Alisa. Meron nga. May photo pa nga kami pala dito. Yung last time na nagpunta kami dito. Last year nga mga kachika. Oh, that is that. Nauna pa nga semester pala sa amin. Ayan yung pinunta niya dito. Yung Wobbly Bridge daw. Ayan, Alisa. Where you going now? Careful. Yeah. Where we should go? Malamig-lamig. Dami pa ding tao mga kachika. October na, marami pa ding tao. Marami pa ding mga turista. Kaya doon sa yung tinatrabahoan ko, pumupunta yan sila dito mga kachika. Pag ano, yung nag-ano, sila yung day tour ba tawag nila. Day tour. Yeah, it's locked.
Let's go.
Taas lang natin yung ating video. No, Alina doesn't like. Alisa doesn't like that. She got the one in the one that went far. The one she got from Boots. Rice cakes. You want juice, Lisa? Get juice. But not that one. You didn't like that one.
Large?
Small. Just small. Medium.
Get a large.
It's too much.
I want chocolate, Daddy.
Yeah, it's hot. Hot. Nice dito. Sobrang busy. Ganyan lang natin kaya maraming mga tao ba. Kita yung mukha nila. Pauwi na pala kami mga kachika. Na-miss namin yung ayan, yung ferry na sasakyan namin pauwi. Maingay lang kay meron na ayos doon. Yung kaya ba doon malapit sa bahay nung walang tubig. Bumili kami doon ng Warren's ano tawag dyan, pasty. Yung traditional pasty nila dito mga kachika. Cornish pasty. Kain. Nagutom na kami kaya wala pa kaming lunch. Sali sa kumakain. Hay sa ng rice cake sa likod. Hak.
Good.
I-try natin to. Binilhan ako ni Mr. Punta kami ng boats, diba? Binili niya. Pili ako. Pili lang sana. Sabi niya, ang ingay talaga. Sabi niya, buy daw. Siya daw magbabayad. I'll get daw. Tapos siya nagbabayad. And, 7? Ano na siya? Lip and cheek glow. Ito try natin. Titingnan natin ba? May lipstick naman ako. Matagal kasi ito matanggal yung lipstick ko. Ito yung para sa ano? Para sa liquid blush. Ayan. At ito naman yung ganun pa din. Pero kay sabi lip and cheek glow. So pwede mo siya magamit sa lip. Ito try natin yung dito sa ano, yung blush, liquid blush. Uy, napadami yata yung lagay ko.
No, I'll put that on. Are you? Are you good?
Yeah, it's good. It's for your cheek and your lip.
That's like the girls in hypermarket.
Hypermarket. Pag maglagay ako ng ganito, sabi niya, para daw ako yung, alam mo yun, yung mga nagtatrabaho dahil sa hypermarket. Ganda siya, ha?
Very nice.
It's too much. Yan. Greenhouse ni Mr. mga kachika na, maganda siya. It's nice, daddy.
Huh?
See? Hindi mo siya gaanong nahalata na may ilagay ka na ganun. Dali. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ano lang. Thank you for this.
Right.
Hi, Sa. Alisa is so quiet.
Yeah.
Nag-enjoy sa kanyang... You finish it.
No, I don't want to.
Why?
I don't have I think or something.
Get home.
Yeah.
Uwi na lang kami. Punta pa sana kami ng cafe. Huwag na lang. Alas 4 pa naman namin susunduin sa Lina mga kachika.
Wow, what a day, huh?
Not bad for October.
Right.
You drink your water, sir? Kaya kumakain nga.
You got the ticket, right?
Organics, yeah. Diyan na mga kachika, sasakay na din kami dyan. Nakailang beses na pala kami nakasakay dito na ferry na ito mga kachika, higher ferry. Tapos first time namin nandito talaga kami sa in front pala. Usually nasa likod na kami palagi. Hindi naman super likod, yung sa likod, gitna or sa last, kanon. Dito ganoon talaga, naka ano talaga kami, pinakauna talaga.